cheddar, I do no sugar at all.
Hey folks, this is Kettle. Thanks for liking and subscribing. This here is how I make my white cheddar. If you see the sifter is actually made nice and clean. My helper Mia is actually getting that ready. The previous batch we made was actually caramel corn and caramel corn Old Bay. So we get the sifter nice and ready for the white cheddar because we use no sugar at all. And I do savory flavors and sweet flavors. And the cheese flavors are really good, savory and sweet. So for the sweet cheddar, I actually use make a kettle corn base and actually add the cheese with no salt. And with the white cheddar, I use two different kinds of cheeses. I use the white cheddar from Gold Medal, and I also use the white cheddar from Firehouse Pantry or Firehouse Spices. And here, if you see the table here, I already have about 15 or 20 bags of each flavor out on the table. And while I'm getting this ready here, Mia got the clamps to give it to the we use a trash bag for shaking the flavor on. And as long as you pop it fresh and while it's right out of the popper, and the cheese will actually stick quite well. So with that being said, we'll show you here how the rest of the process goes. It's a very windy day today too, guys, and so we've actually had it to where it's been so windy that the popcorn actually flew out of the bowl because it was so windy. But today is actually only 8-mile-an-hour wind, so it's not too terrible, but still windy enough, man. It's irritating. Bee sting? A bee stung you?
No.
Okay, good.
Touch me. That's all it takes.
That's all that did sting you.
That's all it takes.
Pretty good, man. You know, as you see here, there's only like one burned piece here, I think. So it takes practice, man, to get this good, man. And on a hotter day, you gotta turn it off even a little bit faster. And on a cooler day, you have a little bit more time. So these are all things that you kind of learn as you go along. Try my best to not burn the popcorn, and I actually have some customers who actually want burned popcorn, and I usually tell them to burn it at the house of themselves. you can ring you up. And then we take this, and then you have to keep recording, and then we can do this now. So with the white cheddar, I'm gonna actually pour over the white cheddar one. Boom, fill it in, and then I pour the cheese in the bag, shake it around, I guess, like a shake-up thing. Like you're making fried chicken. Yep. The white cheddar is almost ready. Yes, ma'am. Thank you guys. Enjoy. And you see here, this one, I do different flavors with sugar and without sugar. This one here will be savory. And I do cheeses. I do also do a sweet cheddar that's really good too, but I'm not going to do the sweet cheddar today. I'll do the sweet cheddar for you next Saturday. And I'm making white cheddar's coming up now.
The kids can handle plain. Okay.
Right, I got you. I know, right? Hey, you're running around here all day, and it's like you have to have some sugar if you're running around, right?
Okay, we can do that. And how are you?
You can up to me. I got it, yeah. Those are coming up next. White cheddar and then butter, and then I'm making pork rinds next. All right. Yep. I got you. And I do one bag for 10 guys, two for 18, or two for 25.
Okay. All right.
Help me get this in. Stop. Yep, thank you. Do me a favor. Give me a scoop. And then it's kind of top to the side here. Okay. Just bring it all the way down. Boom. And then we get my gloves. My surgery gloves on.
What's the last 4 digits of the phone number?
5484. That's fine. Right. I know, it won't fit. All right, you want to hold it? I can do it. Want to hold the bag of it? Thank you guys. Yep, thank you. This is also a batch and a half of popcorn, so this is like 12 cups of popcorn. Then I start off with that, and then I get my other flavor here, the firehouse seasoning. And then when we're done bagging, I put the white cheddar on the other end of the table there. Yep. Boom. All right. And then I take it around, and then we do a taste. And after we're done wrapping it around, punching it around like this, so since it's still warm, yep, it's done. I can feel it.
I can tell. Look at it.
Right? So how I can tell by feeling it. I mean, at this point, I'm kind of like tired. I mean, I don't have that liquids in my butt to eat the popcorn, but even tasting it. And even then, I'd be like, "There's no cheese." Look, I just taste the cheese, all right?
Taste it?
Yeah, I'm not gonna go bankrupt because you have no taste buds. One more cheese, go to there. There's popcorn. Have you ever heard of them before? They do a liquid cheddar. And they put on like twice as much white cheddar. So if you want to do a double cheddar, I'm going to charge you double the price. Alright, great. And now it's back. And the nice thing about this one is this is a savory flavor, so there's no sugar on it at all. I do a sweet cheddar also that's really good too. We're going to do plain barbecue with the new seasoning, and then I'm going to order the one on Monday.
Are you gonna garlic salsa?
Oh yeah, we do garlic salsa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we got a lot of it.
I know.
A lot.
Why don't we do garlic salsa?
That's okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Switch it up a little.
Right. All right, then should we not wait? Should we do the pork rinds next? And then wait till you put more popcorn down before you do butter. Or you want to do butter next? Me has been dying to do the butter.
Just butter.
Yeah, I know.
When they ask today, yes we do.
Please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And if there's anything that you guys want to see in the comments, please let me know. And then the next couple of weeks, I'll have my graphic designer over again. I have a new graphic designer, and I do all the editing. So if there's anything you want to see, please give me a shout out in the comments. The one person who said they want me to show the process of how I, clean everything up between flavors. That'll be in the next couple videos. And please look out for the new videos. And again, if you have any ideas or anything you want to say, please let me know in the comments. I really appreciate you guys following me. And my goal is to get better and better and to be more professional. My Kettle being clean has really helped me be more professional. And I even have my van detailed. So again, it's something that I'm working on. It's a matter of having money and having the ability to do this and also be able to pay people. So again, I really appreciate you guys following me, and this is getting better and better. I'm not really much of a speaker before I started this YouTube channel, but I'm now learning how to kind of know what to say and talk to people when I do YouTube. So if you see my earlier videos, I was really bad, and now I'm getting better. So I still have a long way to go. I've never taken an acting class before. So again, thanks to everyone for watching.